Thank you for purchasing the Furrion Aurora Bluetooth soundbar. We'll take you through some of the basic guidelines for connecting the soundbar to your new Furrion TV as well as initial setup. Unboxing the soundbar, you will find the following: the soundbar, a remote control with 1-button battery, coaxial cable, 2 mounting brackets, 4 mounting screws, and a quick start guide. After unboxing your soundbar, first install the battery and the remote control. Using a coin or similar tool, rotate the battery cover counterclockwise until it is completely removed. Insert the button battery with polarity plus facing up in the compartment. Place the cover back on and rotate clockwise to cover tightly to ensure the best weatherproof seal. Now you're ready to attach the soundbar to your Furrion outdoor TV. To do so, attach the supplied mounting brackets to the rear of the soundbar using the 2 provided 9.5mm screws. Next, place the TV face down on a flat, protected surface. Mount the soundbar with brackets to the back of the TV using the 4 provided 10mm screws. Next, mount the TV and soundbar on the wall mount according to the manufacturer's directions. Finally, to pair the soundbar, simply press the M button on the soundbar or the source button on the remote control. You are now ready to enjoy your Furrion TV and soundbar. Thank you for watching.